In the midst of our busy lives, it can be hard to find a moment of stillness. We're constantly bombarded by notifications, responsibilities, and distractions that make it hard to focus on what's really important. But in Psalm 46:10, God reminds us of the power of stillness. Be still and know that I am God. When we take the time to be still, to quiet our minds and our hearts, we open ourselves up to a deeper connection with God. In the stillness, we can hear His voice more clearly, feel His presence more strongly, and experience His love more deeply. So how do we cultivate stillness in our lives? It starts with making intentional choices to create space for quiet and reflection. Maybe that means taking a few minutes each morning to pray and meditate before the day gets busy. Maybe it means setting aside time each week to go on a quiet walk or spend time in nature. Maybe it means turning off our phones and unplugging from technology for a little while each day. Whatever it looks like for you, the key is to make stillness a priority in your life. When you do, you'll find that God meets you there, speaking to you in whispers, renewing your strength, and guiding you on your path. Let's take a moment right now to be still and connect with God. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on His presence with you. Let His peace fill you, His love surround you, and His wisdom guide you. In the stillness, know that He is God and that He is with you in all that you do.